Knowledge for Kids. Hey kids! Today, we are answering a cool question: why does ice float on water? Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about water. Water is made up of tiny molecules called H2O. When water is liquid, its molecules are packed close together, like friends at a party. When water gets really cold, below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it freezes and turns into ice. But something magical happens here. In ice, the molecules arrange themselves into a special shape called a hexagon. This shape makes the molecules move apart and creates empty spaces. So, ice becomes less dense than liquid water. Dense things sink, and less dense things float. Because ice is less dense than water, it floats. Isn't that amazing? You have probably seen this in real life: ice cubes floating in your drink or icebergs floating in the ocean. It's all thanks to science. Now you know why ice floats on water. It's because of the way water molecules behave when they freeze. Pretty cool, right? Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. If you have any questions regarding what you learned in the video, please feel free to ask in the comments.